Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy an Arcana for Pudge in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open Dota 2 via Steam, and then at the top of your screen, you'll see an option called Armory. Just click on it, and under the filter hero list, type Pudge. Here it is. And now you search for the Arcana here. As you can see, there's Arcana written on top of the set, and the set is called fearsome. To purchase this, all you have to do is just click on this green button right here. And if you have enough fund in your Steam wallet, you can go through with the transaction. Or if you don't have Steam fund like me, you can just add fund by clicking right here and following through with the transaction. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host, Cease. Happy gaming!